his brain. He was unable to move the right side of his body, so he needs assistance in walking and standing. He cannot eat solid food, so we feed him through NGP. It's hard for him to remember what he wanted to say. He don't recognize me and our daughter.
Your husband could not recognize you and your daughter.
Yes, Bishop.
You can imagine a situation like that. What did you do in order for you to receive a miracle?
Yes, Bishop. I went home to see his situation. I used my intelligent faith and I anoint his head and body with the blessed oil. I don't accept that he will become bedridden or having any physical disability. Now, my husband is able to stand and walk alone. He can eat solid food. He didn't undergo for surgery, but need to take the medicine that his doctor prescribed. He can recognize me and my daughter. More than 1 year already that he was recovered by the power of God and my faith.
Amen. Give a strong clap to the Lord.